If you're waking up every morning with blood sugar over 140, even though you didn't eat anything all night, this simple bedtime drink could change everything. Over 50,000 diabetics have lowered their fasting blood sugar by 30 to 50 points in just 14 days. It's one drink 30 minutes before bed, but there's a specific recipe, and if you get it wrong, it won't work. Stay until the end for the exact formula. Here's why your morning blood sugar is so high. Between 2 a.m. and 8 a.m., your liver dumps stored glucose into your bloodstream. It's called the dawn phenomenon, and it affects 9 out of 10 type 2 diabetics. Your body thinks you're starving, so it releases emergency fuel. But when you have diabetes, this goes into overdrive. Result, you wake up at 150, 170, even 200 without eating a thing. Your doctor says take more medication, but medications only treat the symptom. They don't stop your liver from overproducing glucose. According to the American Diabetes Association, high fasting blood sugar is the #1 predictor of long-term complications, heart disease, kidney damage, nerve problems. But there's a natural way to tell your liver to stop. A study in diabetes care found that apple cider vinegar before bed reduced morning blood sugar by 4% to 6%. But Arizona State University discovered something more powerful. When combined with cinnamon and chromium, fasting blood sugar dropped by up to 29%. That's 30 to 50 points. Why it works. Apple cider vinegar slows glucose production in your liver. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity. Chromium helps your cells use sugar more effectively. Here's the exact blood sugar bedtime tonic recipe. Ingredient number 1, raw apple cider vinegar. Must be raw, unfiltered, with the mother, the cloudy stuff at the bottom. Regular clear vinegar won't work. Amount 1 to 2 tablespoons. Ingredient number 2, Ceylon cinnamon. Not regular cinnamon, must be Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon. Regular cassia cinnamon can damage your liver with daily use. Amount 1 teaspoon. Ingredient number 3, chromium. Picolinate, optional, available at any pharmacy. Check if your multivitamin already has it. Amount 200 micrograms. Ingredient number 4, warm water plus raw honey. 8 ounces warm water, not hot, not cold. 1 teaspoon raw honey, low glycemic, helps taste. How to make it. Pour 8 warm water into a glass. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon. Add chromium, or take separately. Add 1 teaspoon raw honey. Stir for 30 seconds until dissolved. Critical timing. Drink this 30 minutes before bed on an empty stomach. If dinner is at 7 p.m., drink this at 9:30, 10 p.m., then bed by 10:30 p.m. Not right after dinner, not with a snack. The timing is everything. To get the best results, do these 3 things. Tip number 1, low-carb dinner under 30 grams of carbs at your last meal. More protein, healthy fats, vegetables, less rice, bread, pasta, good options. Grilled chicken or salmon with vegetables. Salad with olive oil and protein. Stir fry with minimal rice. Tip number 2, walk 10 minutes after dinner. Just 10 minutes can drop blood sugar 15 to 20 points. Gentle walk doesn't have to be intense. This helps muscles use glucose before bed. Tip number 3, track your results. Write down morning fasting blood sugar before eating, drinking, bedtime blood sugar, what you ate for dinner. After 2 weeks, show your doctor. They might reduce your medication. Critical, if blood sugar drops below 70 or you feel dizzy, sweating, confused, stop immediately and call your doctor. This means it's working too well and medication needs adjusting. While using this tonic, avoid Myra 1, late night snacks within 3 hours of bed. Myra 2, alcohol before bed disrupts blood sugar regulation. Number 3, hidden sugar, health foods, flavored yogurt, granola bars, fruit juice, diabetic-friendly desserts. Stick to whole foods, vegetables, lean protein, nuts, healthy fats. Here's your action plan. Tonight, check your kitchen for raw apple cider vinegar and Ceylon cinnamon. If you don't have them, add to your shopping list. Available at any grocery store. Before bed, make your first blood sugar bedtime tonic. Drink it 30 minutes before sleep. Tomorrow morning, check your fasting blood sugar and write it down. For 2 weeks, use this every night and track your results. Then comment below with your results. What was your starting number? What is it now? Your story could inspire thousands. If this helped you, smash that like button. It helps other diabetics find this information. Subscribe for more natural diabetes tips and turn on notifications. Tell me in the comments, what's your biggest blood sugar struggle? Morning highs, after meal spikes, cravings. I'll create content for you. Remember, you're not powerless. Your body knows what to do when you give it the right tools. Take control of your blood sugar. Take control of your health. You've got this. See you in the next video.